Discover the magic of Chyulu Hills. Imagine standing amidst rolling emerald green hills, where the silence is broken only by the whispers of the wind. Chyulu Hills, a volcanic masterpiece in Kenya, offers a tranquil escape for nature lovers seeking untouched landscapes and awe-inspiring serenity. As the sun rises, golden rays blanket the hills, illuminating every blade of grass. Clouds dance gently over the horizon, creating a breathtaking interplay of light and shadow. It's a place where mornings feel like poetry, and sunsets paint the skies in hues that words can't capture. Beyond its scenic charm, Chyulu Hills thrives with vibrant life. Zebras and antelopes wander gracefully, while birds sing their symphonies. The harmony here reminds visitors how deeply interconnected nature is, making it a perfect retreat to reignite your love for the wild. Far from the hustle and bustle, Chyulu Hills invites you to breathe deeply, unplug, and find solace in its unspoiled beauty. Whether it's hiking through the serene trails or simply soaking in the views, every moment here is a chance for peace and inspiration. Let Chyulu Hills inspire your next adventure. Explore, unwind, and reconnect with nature's wonder. Start planning today and let the magic of this enchanting destination transform your travels into unforgettable memories. The Chyulu Hills are calling. Will you answer?